Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be doing some decals using this 001 series pastel color sheets pack, 12 by 12. In this packet comes 10 pastel permanent adhesive vinyl sheets and 2 black grid transfer tape sheets. You can choose between 2 different packs. One offers glossy adhesive vinyl and the other offers matte. The backing paper has a TeckWrap craft logo. And on the front, there is a transparent protective sheet that must be removed before usage. The surface-friendly 001 pastel color vinyl gives long-lasting performance. It is compatible with most craft cutters and vinyl plotters. You can easily create both simple and intricate designs. The vinyl can be given any shape and easily applied to both flat and curved surfaces. Holds up well against wear and tear without folding, peeling, or cracking. Ideal for decals, wall and window graphics, banners, and much more. Let's head over to Design Space. Here's what I'll be working with. This is an image I grabbed off of Google. So let's start from the beginning. Let's go to the home page. This is exactly what the image looks like, so let's add it to Canvas. As you can see, the image came in pretty big, so I'll be resizing it. Usually my decals are about 2 to 5 inches big. Once you have the size, go up to duplicate and duplicate it. Since this is a 4-color image, I'll duplicate it 3 more times. Let's start with the first layer. I'll go over to contour, select it, and we need the first layer, so I'll just hide all contour. I need this layer to stay black. So we have our first layer. Now I'll grab the next layer. Let's move these over so I can show you and make it much easier. So here are all the layers. To make it easier, I'll just separate them. This is the next layer we need. So let's get our black extra layer. I'll send it to front, change the color, and now I'll just go over to contour and select to hide the pieces I don't need. For example, I'll select certain pieces and I'll show you. I'll select this one and close. As you can see, I still need to contour more. The ears are highlighted, so I need to get rid of that. So let's select it. We need our face piece, so I'll select that. Once you're done selecting, just go to the corner and close the box. So let's put this over here and continue with the next layer. Continue to contour each and every layer. Each layer will be contoured differently. Remember, you are creating the image from scratch. Don't forget to select the color of each piece. Your machine will cut out each piece by its color. Once you're done with one layer, continue with the next. This is just a repetitive process till you're done with all the layers. It always helps me to put the image on the corner where I can see what I'm doing. This way it's not hiding in back of the contour box. Once you're done, just close the box and continue with the last layer and contour whatever you need to contour. It should look like this, but I'll delete this and I'll delete this as well since we're going to be doing the other 6. And these are the decals I'll be making. Once you're done, select Make. You can save it as a project. In my case, I won't. I'll choose to work on a matte 12 by 12. Continue. And here is my first mat. I'll be rearranging this. This way I have a little bit of space in between each one. That way I'm not confused when I'm weeding it. I'll move these as well, and I'll move these a little bit as well. Select continue. It'll give you an option to select the machine you're going to be working with. Select continue. Now we're ready to cut our vinyl to size. And I'll be using this cutter. Here's my vinyl. Let's start by cutting. I usually like to cut my vinyl to size just to make sure I don't waste any vinyl. Here I'm just cutting my vinyl in measurements of 3 by 4, and it's going to be the same measurement for all of the vinyl. Since I'll be making decals, they'll be the same size. It was so hard to choose the colors since all the colors in this pack are so beautiful. I like all the colors, but my favorite is the baby blue and the purple. Let's bring in the mat, and I'll be placing the vinyl with the logo down. And as I mentioned, this vinyl has a transparent protective sheet that we need to remove. And now let's take this to cut. To set base material, I'll be using permanent vinyl. I'll select remember material setting for the rest of the vinyls. Alright, now to do the weeding, I'll be using this TeckWrap pin pen. This is my favorite weeding tool. Poke on a corner and pull your vinyl up. This will get rid of the unwanted vinyl. The cut setting I used was perfect, but always remember to do a test cut. Every machine cuts different. Weeding this was so easy. By the way, these are going to be some cute car decals. I'll be gifting them to 2 different friends. Can't wait to see them on their cars. I'm pretty sure my friends are gonna love these. And here we have them all weeded out. Now I'll be using this transfer tape. This is medium transfer tape. This comes in the packet. I'll be cutting a small piece, just the size of the decal, and I'll be reusing it. That's how good this transfer tape is. And now to put everything together. I'll leave it on fast mode so the video's not as long. I gotta say, I really enjoyed working with this vinyl. I love how easy it was to cut and weed, and I love the beautiful colors. As for the black and the white, those vinyls as well are from TeckWrap. I love how these decals turned out. And if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And this is how they turned out. They turned out beautiful. See you on the next video. Bye bye.